Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to annotate on Zoom. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The annotation tool on Zoom allows you to draw on a shared screen. You can easily select the Annotate tool while sharing your screen or while viewing others' shared screen on Zoom. Click Open your web browser first in order to enable the annotation option. Once you open your web browser, log into your Zoom account first. Type in zoom.us and press the enter and sign into your account if necessary. The meeting participants can annotate on a shared screen as a viewer or the one that started sharing your screen. You can also use Annotation tool when sharing or viewing a whiteboard. Before using the Annotation tool, there are a few things you'll need to enable first. Go to My Account at the upper right corner and give it a click. From the left-hand side menu, click on Account Management. Now, under Personal, click on Settings, scroll all the way down, and find the Annotation option. In order to allow the host and participants to use Annotation tool to add information to shared screen, quickly enable the button right next to it. You can allow saving of shared screen with annotation or allow annotation to the user who's sharing the screen. Pick one of the options that you would like to use. You can pick both as well, and finally click on Save. Now go ahead and share your screen. Go ahead and invite participants on your meeting, and once they join in, you'll be able to access the annotation tools. That is how you can annotate on Zoom. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.